Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. So the reason that we promote the $25 business is because of its affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. You get paid every single month for every single sale that you get. Alright guys, which is makes sales much more valuable. So anyway guys, if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here. We're going to refresh the page here. It looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday, but we're refreshing the page. I want to make sure I show you guys real results. I don't want you guys to doubt any of that. So that's why I refreshed the page right in front of you guys. Alright guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal. We won't gonna worry about that guys. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna show you guys how to get your affiliate links first, but otherwise you won't be able to promote the product. So I show you this link here just in case you guys are interested. This is the link I like to promote just in case you guys are interested. So let's get to it. Alright, so first and foremost, you're gonna see the description right there. Open up my descriptions in this video here. You're gonna see step 1 and step 2. Now step 1 gonna have a link that says incomespeech.com or something like that, something real similar to that. You click on it, takes you to a page that looks something like this. Now this is the sales letter for the $25 business. It talks about what it is, what it does, and how much money you can make, so on and so forth, right? And essentially it's a funnel builder. And if you know funnel builders, you know the most popular out there is ClickFunnels, over $100 a month. This is only $25 a month, so it's a really good deal. It's a really good idea to kind of get if you build funnels, to try this instead of ClickFunnels. So anyway guys, if you're in what you want to do here, you get 20 to 100 monthly commissions for each person. It means you can make up to $120 every month for each person in the system. You get 10 people to do that, that's a lot of money. All right guys, so what we're gonna do now is just read through this if you're interested in the product and so on and so forth, but we mainly focus on the affiliate program, which is so good that there's no reason to promote this product. All right, they also give it a charity if you're interested in that as well. I just thought I should mention. But anyway, click on one of your green buttons. It's gonna take you to this page here. Basic information, blah blah blah, get the product, get your links. Right now, one thing you probably want to try out is HBA Premium. You can get it free for 14 days when you use my link. Basically it's just like training. It's a course on how to get sales and stuff like that on a bunch of different websites, Facebook, YouTube, whatever, right? And they also have an AI content creation machine as well that to help you create content, so on and so forth. So the cool thing about it is that if you get a sale with this product here, you keep the $100 that you make from affiliate sale. Fantastic. Kind of get you through the door a little bit, try to get you try this out a little bit harder. But anyway, what we're gonna do next guys, once you got this, I'm gonna show you the absolute easiest way to make money online that I have found that works. All right, that works. I get sales. It's so simple to do, and it's the way I found to make money. So we're gonna focus on that. So what you want to do is click on my second link there in the description there. It takes you to my lead gen secrets. Click on that link, it'll take you to this page here. Now what is my lead gen secrets? Basically you get 100 leads you can email once per day, right? So the idea is to constantly email people about this product, and eventually you'll get sales. Now it works for me. It's been working for me for a minute, so I figure I'd show you guys that it works here. Basically all you gotta do is have emails and you're good. And what I'm doing now is just gonna pick an email I already written, or ChatGPT has written for me. That's what I'm gonna do. See, that's the last email I used, this one, so we just use this one next. Load it up. Got a ton of emails for ChatGPT. Hey guys, that's the email for ChatGPT. It's kind of realistic, $4,000 in 50 days. It's not like a jump in money, but it's just an email. And then ChatGPT wrote this for me, and and that's the email there. We're gonna hit perfect time, and that's gonna send an email around the time people check email. We're gonna hit preview for two particular reasons. One is to make sure my link goes to my goes to the product here, so you guys can get sales and stuff. Because if the link doesn't work, you won't make any money. And second, if you guys are interested in copying the email that I have, you can use ChatGPT. Remember, I told you I use ChatGPT to get these emails. You can also use ChatGPT to make use of it if you want to. But if you don't feel like doing that, you want to just copy what I did and what's working for me, that's totally fine as well. You can copy it right here. All right, guys. That's all there is to it. We send an email and we are done. That's all it takes. Very simple, very easy, and very quick, guys. Now what I just showed you was the absolute easiest way to make money online that currently works. But if you want to be much more invested and you want to put a little bit more work into it, I recommend making shorts that you post on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. You make shorts, you make about 3 or 4 of them a day, and you space them out throughout the day and post them, and you constantly do that for a while, and eventually you'll something go viral. You'll never have to worry about money again. All right, so that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. All right, peace.